Hi, I'm Jimmy. Welcome back to another on-the-road video with ApplianceVideo.com. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for proper voltage.
Today we're working on a Samsung built GE. What we're going to do is replace the ice maker.
Okay, the tools needed for this repair is a number 2 Phillips screwdriver.
First thing we're going to do is remove this number 2 Phillips screw. Then we're going to remove that panel. Disconnect the wiring harness. There's a clip. We're going to press the clip and pull forward, releasing the ice maker. Okay, we're going to slide the new ice maker into place. Plug in the harness. Put the cover back in place. We're going to install the number 2 Phillips. Put the auger assembly back in, and that completes the repair.
Thank you for watching another quality video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com.